What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Magic Singh and it's Friday, which means it's tutorial day. That's right, today we're going to be learning a brand new card flourish. And in today's episode, we are going to learn something called the card swing cut, or just the swing cut, which looks a little bit like this. And there you have it, that is the swing cut. Now it looks a little bit difficult, but I can assure you, this is probably one of the more easier ones to learn. So guys, grab your cards, grab some snacks, and grab a drink, and let's get straight into this. Alright guys, so this is the tutorial for the swing cut. Now, in order for this to work, you're going to be using your dominant hand to do majority of the work. So my dominant hand is my right hand, which means I'll be holding the cards like so. Your opposite hand, in this case my left hand, is going to be doing the catching or the cupping of the cards. So it will look essentially like that. So I'll show you that one more time. So the swing cut is literally that cut there. What you saw me do at the beginning was several cuts, which looks like that, which you can do also. And to finish off, you can also add a little flourish where you just do like a little rotation and then square the cards up. Okay, so the basic swing cut looks like that, and then the slightly advanced one is like that, and then the one with the flourish looks like that. All right, so first we're going to start off with the basic. So if you're right-handed, you're going to hold the cards like this, where you hold it with your middle finger and your thumb towards the end of the pack like this. If you're left-handed, you'll do the exact same like this. So you'd be holding the cards like this on the edge, index finger, middle finger, and thumb. So I'll just do that with my dominant hand, which looks a little bit like this. These two fingers are pretty much free. Your ring finger will maybe support this side just for that additional kind of balance of the cards or the support of the cards, right? But to be honest, they can just relax and just float around free. Now, the idea is this. You hold, the main grip is actually with the middle finger and thumb on the edge. That's good. You've got to ensure that's a solid grip like this. Your index finger is going to do the hard work, where it's going to pick up half, swing out, and then with your left hand or your opposite hand, you're going to pinch and peel off. And then the rest go on top. And that's it. That is the swing cut, all right? So look, on the end, middle finger and thumb, index finger resting just beside your middle finger. You're going to split half for now, split, and then you swing to the side, hence the term, swing cut, swing to the left, pinch, peel off, complete. All right, watch again. That's the grip. Cut, swing, peel, complete. And that's it. So that's how to do a single swing cut, which looks like that. It's such a small bit of movement, but looks really slick when you perform this, all right? So that's the swing cut. All right, I mean, you can slap the cards or you can just do a gentle close like this and square up. Now, if you wanted to do multiple cuts, which look like this, you're doing the exact same grip just as before, middle finger and thumb on the edges. Now, here's how it works. So, rather than taking half the pack, you're taking, I'd say about a fifth. So, like a small portion like that. And then you just cut, 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 swing, peel, cut, swing, peel, cut, swing, peel, and then when you have that small portion left, you complete the cut. All right, so watch again, holding the cards on the edge, thumb grip like this, cut, swing, peel, cut, swing, peel, cut, swing, peel, cut, swing, and then peel, and then you complete the cut. All right. And then if you want to add that little flourish, so you'll be at this point where you've got that small packet left. To do this, you're kind of using a bit of gravity. So what happens is you've got to rotate your wrist forward in the same action of readjusting your finger and thumb. So I'm just going to put these cards down for now. So just to show you, you're in this position, all right? The idea is to get your thumb to slide like this. Okay, from here is slide and join the finger in, the index finger and middle finger. So from here, like that. All right, so you could, if you kept your hand locked, it would look like this. But you want to rotate, so you get that kind of rotational movement. All right, so. And you're kind of using your other fingers in a way to support the card so that they don't fall, like that. All right, just practice that a little bit. And I'm going to slow it down now. Okay, so one more time, you just join, and then you're going to simply close it off like this. Okay, so you're in this position, rotate, close up. All right, one more time. So you're left with that small portion, you close up like this. All right, rotate, close up. And there you have it, guys. That is the swing cut. So remember, that's just one cut there. This is multiple cuts. And then if you want to add that little flourish at the end, there's your little flourish. And that, my friends, is the swing cut. And there you have it, my friends. That is the tutorial for the swing cut. I really hope you enjoyed watching that, and I really hope you've grasped that one quite quickly, because like I said, it's a little bit easier compared to the other things I've taught. So just keep practicing it if you're still struggling, and I promise you, you'll get the natural knack on how to perform the swing cut. It's a simple sleight of hand, simple flourish, but just keep doing it, and when you're performing it in Magic or in a card game, it will just look so slick as you perform the swing cut. Guys, that's it from me today. Please like the video, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care, bye-bye.